Welcome to Lagu paTa from Seoul, the virtual lab. Acceleration analysis of slider crank mechanism. Aim of this experiment is to observe and analyze the acceleration of the slider crank mechanism. Here, in the simulation we have animation section, variable section, control section. In the animation section, we have the scaled diagrams of position, velocity, and acceleration of the slider crank mechanisms, which are dependent on the input variables in the variable section. In the variable section, move the sliders of radius, length, and input angular velocity omega r of the slider crank mechanism and observe the changes in the animation and the output table where you can see different accelerations corresponding to each links. Pause the simulation in the control section and change the input angle theta r to observe and analyze the accelerations at different positions. Click on play and observe the changes in values of acceleration in the output table in the animation section. Thank you for watching the video.